is a K1 or Fiance visa? The K1 or Fiance visa allows a person who is engaged to a U.S. citizen to enter the U.S. and marry his or her partner within 90 days of admission. Do you know that Filipinos are actually the top recipients of K1 visa approvals? Nearly half of the 16,000 K1 visas issued in fiscal year 2019 were granted to Filipinos, followed by 1,700 K1 visas issued to those from Vietnam and 1,600 K1 visas issued to those from Mexico. So how can one obtain a K1 Fiancé visa? To obtain a K1 Fiancé visa, the U.S. citizen will need to file an I-129F Fiancé visa petition with the U.S. Citizenship and Immigration Service. If approved, the I-129F petition is sent to the National Visa Center, which in turn forwards the case to the U.S. Embassy where the fiancé will be interviewed. If the U.S. Embassy finds the fiancé eligible, it will issue the K1 visa that will allow travel to the U.S. So what are the K1 visa requirements? First, the petitioner must be a U.S. citizen. Second, both the U.S. citizen and the fiancé must be legally free to marry. Third, both must have met in person within 2 years before the K1 petition is filed. Fourth, the relationship must be genuine. And fifth, the U.S. citizen must meet income requirements for the visa sponsorship. How much would a K1 visa cost? The USCIS fee for the I-129F petition is $535, and the actual K1 visa application fee is $265. The cost of the required medical exam is roughly $200, but these fees do not include incidental costs such as photocopying, translation, or obtaining documents such as your birth certificate. Here are common reasons for denial of a K1 visa application. Either party was convicted of certain crimes, prior immigration law violation, failure to prove genuine relationship or good faith intent to marry, either party is not eligible to marry, insufficient income of petitioner. The K1 Fiancé visa could be a good fit for you if you're considering these. First, K1 visas are available to same-sex couples. This is a major factor where the fiancé comes from a country that does not recognize same-sex marriages. Second, you want the wedding to be held in the United States. Third, once married, the non-citizen spouse can apply for a marriage-based green card. And fourth, the non-citizen spouse may obtain a work permit and travel document, also called the advance parole, while the main green card case is pending. Since it is based on relationships, and relationships can get complicated, the K1 visa process can run into some legal issues, such as when the marriage does not take place within 90 days of arrival, or the K1 visa holder marries a different U.S. citizen, or the couple decides to break up. These situations lead to serious immigration consequences for the non-citizen partner and require the counsel of an experienced immigration attorney. For more information on K1 Fiancé visas and marriage-based green cards, head over to www.cristinagodinas.com. Email immigration questions or topics you want us to cover to chris@pinoylife.net. Find www.pinoylife.net on Facebook and on YouTube, where you can get more information on other immigration topics and issues. Join me next time, where we discuss the H-1B professional working visa. See you then.